Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here but like to beauty related content on this channel, if that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time I upload. So today we finally played around with the Glamlite and Halloween 2 collection. So we've got a few products here. We've got the eyeshadow palette, which stunning packaging. We've got the lip kit, and we've also got the highlighter. Bling bling. So yeah, if you want to see me create this look, test out these products, and then hear my thoughts at the very end, then please stay tuned. So is it bad that I've not actually seen Halloween or any of the Halloween films, to be honest? I do actually want to do a bit of a Halloween marathon and just go through them all, because there's so many. Like, I swear he died or has died multiple times, and yeah, he still appears in the next one. I'm not too sure, but Glamlite has obviously released this collection as part of their Halloween collections, obviously a few months ago now, and I'm finally sitting down to review this, and this is my first time playing with Glamlite, so I'm actually really excited. I don't know why, but when I went to New York, I was kind of hoping I was going to be able to visit and see Glamlite in person, as in like any of the drugstores or in Ulta or something like that, but you can't actually go and see it anywhere. It is all online, so I did place a big order. I also got the Chucky palette as well, which you would have seen in a previous haul, so if you want me to do a video on that, then do let me know. So it just says on here that he slashed his way into Glamlite to bring in the most cutthroat makeup collection yet. Inspired by the masked terror of Haddonfield, our Halloween 2 times Glamlite palette is here to help you create endless screen-worthy looks, channel your inner shape, and start blending with a vengeance. And so this palette features 15 shades, and it currently retails for £29 on the Glamlite website, which I think is a really good price. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop on some swatches on the screen now. And my god, like, I had a look in mind and it completely changed as soon as I swatched this product, because it just felt like those shimmers were literally like diamonds, absolute diamonds. They're so pretty, and there was no way that I wasn't going to put one of those shades all over my lid, which is what you can see now. So that's enough of me waffling. Let's jump straight into this eyelid. So we've got this eye, and it was different to how I originally wanted it when I first was thinking about playing with this palette. And I think I wanted to do originally like a brown smoky eye with blue on the lash line, but when I swatched these shimmers, I could not go in with the blue on the lid and have the focus point as this shimmer, because oh, stunning. It just looks so pretty, and it's giving January blues, and we are in January, and these are January blues, although I don't have January blues because I do love January. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and recreate on this eye now. I have already primed my lids. Let me just get all my brushes. Yeah, I have already primed my lids with the P. Louise Base Shade 3, as always. The only eyeshadow base that I tend to use these days. And I'm just patting out any of the creases. And if you can hear scratching, that's Michael being a pain. This palette is literally just stunning. Like, I love, and I feel like I just need some more Glamlite palettes now, but we're on a spending ban. Anyway, so I am going to start off with, what one did I go in first? You do get a lot of kickback in the pan. So I'm going to go in with Halloween Night Massacre, this one here. And I'm just going to take that on a Morphe M506 brush. Standard, I'm just going to put it on my outer edge. I feel like I need to start delving into like different makeup looks. I might start like a new series, like recreating makeup or like learning new makeup and something like that. Let me know if you'll be interested. I have got some of the recordings from the P. Louise course that I did, P. Louise Pro course that I did before. So I didn't manage to finish watching all of the recordings before it ended. I was tempted to redo it again, but then I was thinking, am I going to have time to do it again? This shade is so pigmented, by the way, so I'm literally just plonking it on, adding that pigment there, and now I'm just going to blend out ever so slightly, and just drag that a little bit on the inner part of my eye as well. Stunning shade. And then I'm going in with what brush is this? Oh, a MAC 221S brush. It's quite an old brush, to be fair. And I'm going to go into I Always Wear a Mask, so this like cool toned bluey grey. And just very lightly using the shade just soften the edges of that blue. And I'm also going to put that on the inside of that lid as well. I'm going to go in with a Spectrum B06 brush, so like a large fluffy brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Guilty, which is a pretty pretty like powder blue. I'm just going to really buff that into the inner corner of my brow as well. And I'm also going to place this on the inner part of the lid, like so. So now I'm just going to darken up the outer edge. So I'm going to take the black, which is Everyday's Halloween shade. And this is a very pigmented black as well. And I'm just going to darken the outer edge. And I'm just using a P. Louise 264 brush, so like a little bullet brush. And then I'm going to go back into my original shades and just blend that out ever so slightly. But it just really adds to the depth. I do really wish there was a white in this palette because that would have gone really nice in my inner corner. But anyway, so that's that bit all blended out. So I am going to first of all go with Welcome to Santa Mira. I do like a horror. I went to go see Nosferatu yesterday. That was a really good like gothic horror. These shades, like the shimmers, are just stunning. This is the first time I'm actually trying Glamlite as well. So, and then I think this is my favourite shade out of the palette. He's back, so this shade here, and it's just got a really nice shift to it. So I'm going to basically put that all here. It's just a really nice shade, and these shimmers are like wet looking. And then I am going to take a brush for this bit. So this is a Peach and Cream PC07, which is like a bullet brush as well. And we're going to One Good Scare, so that's going to go in the inner corner. And that's like a white with a duochrome blue shift to it. Look, they just look wet on the eye. I am just going to take the P. Louise 119 brush, sorry, which is a flat brush like that, and I'm going to dip that into the black, so every day it's Halloween, and I'm just going to stamp on along my lash line. Fine, so I'm going to take a bit more of the P. Louise base, so I'm just going to pop a little bit on the back of my hand, just a very small amount. My forehead looked quite wrinkly then for the first time in my life. Anyway, getting distracted, and I'm just going to tap this on my lower lash line so then I can, or my under eye should I say, so then I can add some shadow here because I just want to go in with a little bit of the oranges. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go back in with this stamping brush with the black, and I'm just going to stamp into my waterline. And then I'm just going to take a P. Louise 143 brush, so a really small blending brush, and I'm going to go into this brown, so Haddonfield Memorial Hospital. Just blend that mainly on the outer edge of the lower lash. Just to darken it up a little bit. But then I'm taking a Made by Mitchell ME17 brush, and we're going to go into Halloween Mask, so this orange here, and use that to blend it out. And then we're going to go in with Irritated, so this orange shimmer. So take that on my finger and pop that. But then I'm going to go back into that Peach and Cream bullet brush and the One Good Scare, so the really white blue duochrome, and just make sure that that meets the orange on the inner corner and there's no gaps. Oh god, I just dropped that bloody mascara. So that is the eyes done for the time being. I'm just going to hop off to the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back to do the highlighter and the lips, which I'm really excited for, so be right back. I just did the rest of my face and it's not even been recording, Okay, right, well, we're going to take this lip off and we're going to do it again. I can't believe I wasn't even recording. Donut. Right, so I can't believe I was not recording. So sorry. So I don't think I'm going to have to be able to reapply the highlighter, But it says this is an ultra iridescent formula which packs a supernatural shine to bring the most blinding eerie glow, and it does, to be fair. So we're just going to reapply some more, and I just love this packaging that it comes in. It comes like this. You open it out, and then inside is the product. But this is such a beautiful highlighter. It gives like a peachy sheen to it. So I am going to take this on a Made by Mitchell MF18 brush. I'm just going to load up my brush and just apply some more highlighter because, whoops, I was not filming. I fully was convinced that that was filming. I can't believe I didn't even realise. As you can see, it just does give like a beautiful blinding glow. If you're into your 2016 style highlighter, then you will like this, and I am that person that is into my 2016 highlighter because look, it just looks beautiful. And then we've got the lip kit. So this features a knife sharp lip liner, an ultra pigmented lipstick, and a hauntingly dazzling gloss. Now this combination, I didn't think it would work, but you'd be pleasantly surprised. So with the lip kit, inside you've got the lip liner, the gloss and the lipstick like it says, but the lip liner is, I don't know if these are sharpenable. I don't know if you can sharpen these, but this is like a really dark brown. And I've seen some people use this on a deeper complexion and it looks stunning, but I just don't know if it's my cup of tea. It is ultra creamy though. I'm just using the butt of it to just blend. I hope you can sharpen this because I feel like it's gone down loads already. Okay, now going in with the lipstick. Now this does not suit me right now, but just hold fire. This lipstick is ultra light and like greige. So far when it's like this, it's not for me. It is not for me. More of a, like a warm toned lips. Like I look dead right now, or dressing like I'm dead. But the gloss is very gloopy, but it doesn't feel that sticky. The only thing is, I just don't feel like they filled this whole thing up. Like I've got a massive bubble there, and I've only used this as the only second time, as in first day, because second time filming this lip combo because obviously the first time didn't work, well it didn't record, but there's already like a massive dip, so it's like, I don't know if you can really see on camera. Can you see the bubble inside? Like a massive bubble inside, so I just don't feel like it's really full up. I feel like the only way that I can wear this lipstick and lip liner is with this glass. Like this glass does make it so much better, and it's very like glassy. It's given like 90s lips. This is the makeup up close. You just have to excuse my hair. It just didn't blow dry properly. But anyway, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what you think. I am in love with this collection. Like literally, I feel like I need to buy so many more Glamlite collections. This is my first time using any of their products, and yeah, I understand the hype. Like my eyes look beautiful, like shimmers. The shimmers are absolutely outstanding. The mattes blended beautifully. The highlighter is very pigmented. It's glowy, it's blinding. It's what I look for in a highlighter. I don't really like, I like baked highlighters, but these kind of highlighters, like 2016 highlighters, is what I prefer. And also the lips, like the lip liner is super creamy, the lipstick super creamy, the lip gloss is a very beautiful formula. I wouldn't choose the shades normally, but this has definitely got me out of my comfort zone, and as a lip combo for all three, I do really like it. I want to do this lip combo with maybe a different eye look and see if it's something that I would wear out normally. But yeah, there's just so many looks that you can do with this palette. At first, I definitely wanted to do more of a warm toned look up top and like the blue on the lash line, which I may do a video on next, like just a shorts or something like that. But after swatching these shimmers, there was no way I was not putting this shimmer here, he's back, all over my lid, because that is beautiful. It's probably my favourite shade out of the palette. Overall, I really love this collection and I'm excited to see more from Glamlite. And if you tried Glamlite before, let me know down below what's your favourite product from the brand. Is there something that I really need to try? I did quite like the Hershey's collection as well. I thought that was quite nice. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Bye!